Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It's Wednesday, and we're going to start following Kathy around to see what sold for us today. And I think we have a good amount to go through today, so let's see what we got.
Hey guys, yeah, I think we have 15 sales today, so not bad. That's where I want to be at least. So these I just listed yesterday, so I put the rest of them away, but since they just sold like an hour ago, I didn't put them away because that would be weird.
Yeah, we were just putting the shoes that were on that table away right before we were recording. Let me put them away just to pull them back out and show you. So yeah, these are just some Dansko regular old black clogs. I have $7.99 into them. I had a watcher on eBay. I think I listed them at $40. We already had a sale running, and then I sent them an additional offer, so $30 plus shipping. And those are gonna go out in a padded flat rate. Most Danskos under size like 40 can usually fit in a padded flat rate. So even though they're kind of heavy, I kind of know that off the top of my head. If I'm at a thrift and trying to calculate like how much something's going to cost to ship, I know I can fit those in there. Right, and Danskos are all basically the same shape, so that's an easy one to keep in the noggin.
Something else I set an offer on eBay on. I just kind of wanted to move these. I've had them almost a year at this point. They're just some Nike Kyrie. I think it's Kyrie. I think it is. Sneakers. So these I have $8.50 into from Once Upon a Child, and they sold for $19.63 plus ship. So not huge money. Probably just about doubling my money there. Those did fit in a padded flat rate, but they were just going to North Dakota, which actually ended up being cheaper to just put them in a 2-pound shoe box. So with the new rates anyways, I think it was $8.24 to ship in the 2-pound, and it would have been $8.49 to use a padded flat rate. So not bad. And then a BF. This is that Territory Ahead button down. This brand does really well for me. It's not like huge money, but it's a very good bread and butter staple item if you find it. This I paid $5.99 for. Sold for $21.71 plus shipping, really, really fast. Tons of interest on all platforms. And yeah, I actually, somebody on Facebook was messaging me about it the other day. Just like he wouldn't stop messaging, so I just deleted it. But he wanted it like, okay, this was over the holiday weekend, so I already can't ship till Tuesday.
Right.
He's like, do you think I could get this on Wednesday? I was like, I don't think so.
Right.
He's like, but can you do priority mail? I was like, I could do priority mail, but you're still not gonna get it on Wednesday. Like, most of my Posh stuff is even taking like over a week to get delivered. So the USPS is definitely already slowed down for the season, which I think we all knew that was going to happen, but yeah. That guy did not get the shirt, thankfully, but
sorry, man, it just sold. All right.
Right. So yeah, that is not too bad. So $6 into 21, but that only took just a couple days. Probably could have got a few more bucks, but I am happy with that. All right, box I. This is an Adrian Vittadini, I think that's how you say it, cardigan. I got this from our neighbor over the summer at their garage sale.
Oh yeah.
So $5 into that, and it sold for $21.71 plus shipping. And I think that's a little too puffy for a. Do you think?
For what?
Yeah, just like a regular mailer. Might do a bigger mailer.
Yeah, the dog mailer.
I just
Look at this guy.
want to use my Halloween ones. Snoozing.
It's funny. I covered him up like this yesterday, and we all went downstairs, and then he came downstairs, and he still had the blanket on his back.
Yeah.
It was funny.
So cute. Reese, I think everyone loves him because we all wish we were doing that.
Yeah, I know, right? That's what one of the viewers said. Reese is her spirit animal.
He's living our best life.
Yeah. She said, I wish I could just lay around my family and not talk to anybody.
So these are some BOC Chelsea heeled boots. So these actually sold through global shipping. I didn't check where they were going, but they sold for $25 plus ship. Plus then they paid more ship. So I saw they paid like all in maybe $55, which that's crazy for Born. I mean, I don't get that extra shipping or anything. So for me, I get $25 plus the ship, and I had $4 into them. So still a good sale. But yeah, I'm always surprised what people pay through global shipping
Right.
just to get something that maybe they can't get where they are. Alrighty, that's going out in a shoebox. Tried to shove those into a butterfly, but then I got worried about the heel breaking off or something.
Right.
So I didn't. Yeah, because those danks or whatever.
Yeah, we haven't mentioned that yet, but
So that just happened yesterday.
those metal spoons that we recently sold, those salad spoons.
Yeah, those broke in transit, and
Yeah.
I did first class. We bubble wrapped them individually,
Yeah.
but we put them in a poly mailer because they were just under a pound, and
We were like, oh, these are nice heavy metal. There's no way these are
Right,
gonna
like-
break.
we literally even said that. I was like, shouldn't we put these in a box? Should we? And we're just like, no, they won't break. We
Yeah.
bubble wrapped them really good, and
Yeah,
they
it
broke. They
still
sent me
broke.
pictures, so I just refunded them,
Yeah.
let them toss them. But that's why I was worried about the heel on
Yeah.
those. But yeah, that was a first class package, so we couldn't claim it. I
Right.
guess technically, if those heels broke in a had a flat rate, we probably could, but
Right.
it's kind of also our own fault for. It's not the safest way to ship
Right.
some things. So.
And I mean, it was a Ben's find, so it's a bummer for the buyer, right? Like they were expecting them, and they just came damaged. So that kind of sucks. But
I don't think they were a Ben's fan, but I got them real cheap, like at $1.50
Oh, I
or
thought they
something
were-
each.
okay.
So we lost
Yeah.
maybe $3 cost of goods plus $5 shipping.
Yeah.
It's not the end of the world.
it's a very inexpensive lesson, I guess, right? Like that would have really been horrible if that was something that was
$100 item.
like
Yeah.
a high cost of goods or something like that. So
But if it was, on the other hand, then we would have shipped it priority.
That's true.
So, yeah, it's okay. It happens
Yep.
very rarely. So these Sperry duck boots sold. These have been listed like probably a year. I don't pick up a lot of Sperry, but I thought these were nice. Duck boots are always in style. They sold for $34.70 plus shipping. I have $11.99 into those, so glad those finally sold, and they are going to go out in a shoebox as well. So yeah, I'd probably pick them up again, even though they took a while. I think I listed them at the wrong time of year, so. All right, DD. These are some SAS shoes. These actually got for free from a family friend. So no cost of goods into them. They sold on Facebook Marketplace for $23 plus shipping. So over a $20 profit on a free item. That's what I
Yeah.
like. And those will go out in a shoebox. Right, to DL. Oh, this one's. I got like an itch on my eye. Okay, this is just an American Girl doll. I believe it's Samantha. I hope I Google Insta her. I asked a few different groups, the American Girl group, and also Instagram and stuff. So, yeah, I called her Samantha. So, I got her for $3.99 at a Goodwill, and she sold for $36.80 plus shipping on Facebook. So, awesome. She was. I need to double check.
Facebook,
it
2
must have
pound
been a
probably.
over 2 pound label because yeah, it's UPS. So
Oh, okay.
we'll have to use our own box on that one. All right, in the box I yeah, these American Girls are kind of awkward. Like I've shipped a few and I've just jimmy rigged like 2 shoe boxes because they're taller than one and they're kind of heavy too. So yeah, hopefully we have a random box laying around that I don't have to cut up 2 and put them together.
right.
All right, Zara. What here is
Your hand was on it.
this is just a little cute knit sweater that I bought for my son off Kiddizen a while back for $14. He wore it and then I sold it for $22 free ship, so breaking even, maybe making $1 profit off of that. And that will ship out in a mailer. Oh, I did want to mention, well, hopefully they are not sold out when you guys see this, but Shipping Hip is almost out of these ones, and I do not believe they're restocking. So if you want those, we have a code in our description. They have other prints as well, but that's the one they're almost out of. All right. Top Shelf Kamek Snow Boots. Uh-oh. can't break that pumpkin.
Yeah, I saw one of the pumpkins fell off of Hagrid's hut.
All right, so these are just Kamek snow boots. I got these at I don't know where I got them. I paid $9.99 for them, and they sold on Kitizen for 25 plus ship, so about doubling my money there. And those we'll have to put in our own box as well. Alrighty, box L. Okay, these are the brand Kuru. This is one of my favorite brands, like, to find because it's pretty rare that I do, but when I do, they sell for a good amount, not always super fast. But yeah, that's their logo, and then that's the brand name. So if you ever see that, it's probably worth picking up. I found them several times where they're really, really worn down, and obviously that's probably not worth picking up, but these are like in really, really good shape. I have $10.89 into them. Someone offered me $52 on Mercari, plus they paid shipping, so happy to accept that. And we'll use our own box there. All right, box CR. So these toddler Keen snow boots, $8.07 into those from our Once Upon a Child haul, and they sold for $40 on Posh. That was an offer. Someone sent me, I had them listed at $50. Believe it or not, Keen kid boots are actually really expensive new, so I mean, I would have probably taken a little bit lower of an offer, but I'm very happy with $40. I've sold these between $40 to $50 several times.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely worth picking up some Keen kid boots. Probably gonna put those in a regional A box. Maybe a few more here. This one has a really cool sale. And it's not a joke about the brand Cool. It's those Scorpion, the motorcycle jeans. So we mentioned them in a haul, I think, recently, maybe a month or so ago. But yeah, I just picked these up at the thrift only because they were new with tag. Like, anytime I find something new with tag, I throw it in my car, and then I'll go stand in a corner, look stuff up before I check out. And these were a great pickup. I paid $10.99 for them, and most comps on eBay were like 90 to 100, and that's about what I had them listed at. And then on Posh, someone got the Posh VA offer, I think, of 95 with discount shipping, and they countered at 75. So I went ahead and accepted because I think that's pretty fair.
Yeah.
I mean, I have $11 into them, so.
Well, we're getting into winter where, you know, there's not a whole lot of motorcycle riding going on. But those are what? Those are like Kevlar pants or something like that, right?
Yeah, they're really, really thick. I could tell they were good quality to begin with. I had no idea they were like motorcycle jeans.
Right.
But yeah, they're a really nice pair of jeans, and this person probably got a good deal. But I think they retail for $110. So even though they are new, I thought that was a good price. So she paid $75 plus $7.45 in shipping plus tax on like $80. So
yeah,
that's getting close to like 90, probably pushing 90. So I was happy with that sale, almost a $50 profit. And I hope she enjoys them.
Yeah.
So, all right, and this is our viewer Kim. Thank you, Kim. Grab the 2 items. So box V.
So Kim got a bundle.
Always. Alright, so she grabbed a pair of Old Navy jeans and a Billabong button-down shirt. So these are for her grandson. She paid $24.50 plus shipping on those guys. And yeah, awesome. The jeans were my son's. I can't remember what I bought them for, but probably no more than $10. And then the shirt I did buy for my little guy, but we never ended up, because it's like a sailboat, kind of like being out on the water type of a button down. So I'm kind of weird. Like, I like to, you know, we wear our Halloween
You theme them up, yeah.
So we never had anywhere to really wear this over the summer. So I listed it, and she snagged it up. So I only had $5 into the Billabong. It was a retail arbitrage find anyways.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you, Kimberly.
Kim, thank you so much for all the amazing support.
Always, forever.
Hope your little grandson loves them.
Yep, and we'll send them in a Halloween mailer. Alright, And last but not least, BF. This is that Prana, kind of like rust colored, just, it's plain sweatshirt, but it is a nice perfect fall color. So I have $4.99 into this, and I listed it at $35 and got an offer of $29. So very happy with that offer. And to have a quick sale on that, we'll just do a regional, a flat on that.
Alrighty. So it looks like we have quite a bit to figure out and get all packed up, and we'll do that and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got everything all packed up. We did not have any more sales come in. Took a little bit longer just because there's a lot of boxes today, and that typically means it takes a little longer to ship up. And look, he has emerged from his bed. He literally just crawled out of there and then collapsed right there. You okay, Reese?
Hey, Reese, do you want an ice cube?
He loves ice cubes and carrots. He's an easy dog to please. Anyway, guys, we do have to get this stuff off to the post office. It does close in like 10 minutes. So we're going to head out and do that. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.